Okay, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It has been ages and ages since this video was filmed. I think this video is 3 months overdue. It's been crazy. I've just had so much coming and going and in the works. It's so hard to keep up with everything, and the YouTube videos unfortunately come last because of all the work and everything. You know, YouTube doesn't pay the bills yet. But yeah, so I've been eating a Cinewhoop. I've been flying a previous Cinewhoop. Previous Cinewhoop is already sold, so I can't even speak of it or show you, but I just needed a top-of-the-range Cinewhoop, and there was definitely going to be a YouTube video on it. So yeah, we are now in that stage. The video is about to... This is the video. This is the video for the top-of-the-range Cinewhoop. The Cinewhoop doesn't get more Cinewhoop than this Cinewhoop. So yeah, because, you know, let me just explain it to you, right? Okay, so we have the ultimate 5-inch. This is a screamer. It's got all the power in the world. It can do everything. It can do everything. It's got range. It's got everything. So 5-inch, done. Then we have the long-range cruiser. This is the 10-inch. This is what we send up the mountains. This is what we do all the long-range footage and flying with. There's been already tons of content of this on the channel. It's been quite exciting. It's been some of my best performing videos. So we got that. This it's part of the fleet. It's there. We've got a whole bunch of other stuff. We've got the I can't fly an FPV drone, but I want to be part of the hobby. It's there. It's a nice piece of kit. It helps with content. It does it all. It's not anything else I've just shown you, but it's there. And so yeah, I'm just super stoked to finally have this video out to show the world my creation of what I think a top-of-the-range Cinewhoop is. And yeah, I present to you the Axis Flying 3.5-inch 04 Pro Cinewhoop.
when in need. Want some coke, have some weed. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher. I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that nigga in the alley. I'm your doctor, when in need. Want some coke, have some weed. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher. I'm your doctor, when in need. Want some coke, have some weed. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher. Ain't I clean, bad machine, super cool, super mean, feeling good for the man, super fly. Here I stand, secret stash, every bread, baddest bitches in the bed. I'm your pusher.
Cool, so on our way to the stadium to go and Maiden and test flight the 04 build, the 3.5 axis flying 04 build. Just going to take it easy. She's got about 2 packs charged just to see how she performs. Stock pits, stock configuration, everything. Stock. So we're just going to see how she takes it, how she performs, and yeah, just get a feel for what we might have to change, what we might have to adjust, and just get a complete ballpark of how she'll react. Cool, so on location, favorite location, this is my spot. My tried and treasured spot for FPV. Just going to get the quad out and get a battery on there, and then we can send it. Okay, so let's get plugged in over here. Maybe just give this 04 lens a clean in case it's looking good. So yeah, let's get in the air.